Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to be talking about the introduction to C++ programming language and its usefulness. Before I start, I kind of downloaded a PDF material on C++. And this materials entails about everything I need to know about C++. C++ is a object-oriented programming language. It's a middle-level language developed by Brujen Strostrup in 1979. Why C++ programming language? Why don't you just go for other programming language? Oh, there's no particular reason, but C++ enables you to uh, manipulate data. That is to make a data work in respect to your choice. That is, you can actually create your own classes and makes its objects um, um, make a footprint of an object. C++ deals with classes, objects, and variable. Classes being a description of how a member or a group of objects is. It's when we talk about classes, we talk about a footprint that describe the behavior of an object. And we talk about an object or an individual either individual object, that individual personality that, that shares characteristics with the classes. That is, so C++ is a statical type compiled general purpose case sensitive free form programming language that supports procedural object oriented and generic programming. And like I said, it is a middle level language. And why C++ is an object-oriented programming language is that it supports the four pillars of object-oriented programming language, which is the encapsulation, data hiding, which is not really data hiding, the abstraction, the abstraction the people regard it as the data hiding. We'll go into that in my next description. We talk about inheritance and polymorphism. C++ is generally used to create applications of for our desktop and our laptop, our personal, our PDA, our devices. And it is used in programming section. And we talk about we've talked about the objective. When we talk about the what makes C++ unique, that it makes its environment very interactive to the user. It gives programmer a little or uh, a lesser effort in terms of creating a bigger project. So I'm talking about its environment. Like C++ can be used in different platforms. When I'm talking about platform, I'm talking about operating system. And before you can be able to use a C++ programming language, you need two things. You need its compiler and you need a text editor. Nowadays, there's now a text editor that also has a compiler. When I'm talking about text editor, I'm talking about your Notepad, plus plus, your VI, your Vim, which can work for Windows and also for Linux operating system. And these are all you need to know before you start your career in programming language, most especially C++. C++ is a very wonderful programming language that you don't want to miss, believe me. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Do not forget to subscribe,